Ebonyi North Senator, Onyekachi Ebonyi, has dismissed claims that the demolition of Mbike Lsik Lsiofumini Nawori Market is for personal gain, rather for remodeling. Aggrieved members of the community had on Friday disclosed that they have formally petitioned relevant government authorities over what they described as threats to lives, forced eviction, and the demolition of homes and shops in connection with Senator Ebonyi's proposed remodeling of the Nawori Lsiofumini Lsik market. In a strongly worded petition, the residents declared their opposition to the proposed remodeling of the market, urging that available public funds be redirected towards rural road construction and other critical infrastructure. But dismissing the community's allegations, Ebonyi, through his special assistant on media and publicity, Romanus Uzor Ozioko, stated that the state governor, Francis Nwiferu, has duly acquired the land for the reconstruction of the market in line with his powers as provided in the Land Use Act. The statement said, "It is also worthy to note that the Mbike Lsik Nawori market was duly earmarked as a local government market as far back as 1981, following the voluntary donation of the land by the host community for developmental purposes." Nawori Market, being one of the most strategic markets linking several communities in Ebonyi and Benue states, deserves modernization to align with the sweeping infrastructural transformation championed by His Excellency Francis Ogbonna Nwiferu, and the federal government's ongoing road infrastructure initiatives. A Memorandum of Understanding (MO) was duly signed between the community and the developers, clearly stipulating that all existing shop owners will retain the exact number of shops allocated to them upon completion of the remodeled market. Quote,